Let me guide you through creating a new page using the ByteEditor functionality. To begin, log into the admin panel and create an empty page by right-clicking on the three dots located near the root where you want to add the page. Next, name the page and start filling it with content. The ByteEditor lets you create pages using plain layouts and ready-made blocks. Firstly, let's check out the empty layouts. You have 5 basic options with 1, 2, and 3 columns. Once you choose any of them, you get a block with space for content. To add content, click on the corresponding buttons, and the Elements menu will open. Here, you can choose the elements that suit your needs and add them to the page. Alternatively, you can use ready-made blocks to speed up the process. These blocks allow you to create a whole new section on the page by simply adding your content. You don't need to play with element positioning as everything is already set. Now, let's take a few minutes and create the entire page. After creating your page, you can enhance its visual appeal by styling the elements. Each element has basic styling options that allow you to modify the layout and background colors, and adjust the text contrast. If you want more styling options, you can access the global design settings. In the upcoming guides, we will cover additional styling possibilities that you can use to create a more visually appealing website.